What's up, guys? Artillery Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the claw machine multi-tool. Let's see. So let's begin. So you can probably know from the biggest noticeable. So the body is basically a needle nose pliers. Got the whole body is made of probably stainless steel. I mean, oh yeah, that's right. It's right here. Look. Stainless china. So this is basically made of stainless steel. You get on this side, the very much well-known flashlight, which the batteries are dead, unfortunately, so we can't test that out. But on the other side this one has a saw blade. This is it must be a serrated edge or something? I don't know, but I think it is a saw blade, but just don't know how to make a saw blade or a serrated edge or something. But you got is the or the bottle opener and a flathead screw, and then a Phillips screwdriver, and of course a knife or the blade piece itself. I got the needle nose of all things. The pouch for it, or the sheath for it, is basically pretty much made of nylon, basically with a belt loop to attach it onto your belt. Okay, and now let's get to the size itself. Let's see. Oh yeah, and also having like a little key ring here for putting something like keychains, or rather putting another key ring for like a keychain and all. So the size on the multi-tool while it's closed, and also the handle, is around about 2.5 inches. Meal for the needle nose pliers deployed, it'd be around about 4 inches. About 4-inch long. Meal for the flashlight. The size of the flashlight is around about 1 3/4. Meal for the overall size is around about 3 3/4. Meal for the blade is around about 1.5 inch. Meal the overall size would be around about 4 4/4. Meal for the Phillips screwdriver is around about 1.5 inch. Meal for the overall size is 4 inches. Meal for the bottle opener with a flathead and a wire stripper piece, or wire bender of all things, is around about 1/4. Meal for the overall size is around about 3 3/4. And finally, to the saw blade, or the serrated edge, is around about 1.5 inch. Meal for the overall size is around about 4 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is a little crazy. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or that basically is just went around. Yeah, that basically what it is. It's rather a crazy cut, but not like straight clean cuts and all. So I'm giving the claw machine multi-tool an astounding of, let's see, basically a 6 out of 10. If I really want like an actual more of the gimmick itself, it's more kind of like a whole gimmick of all things. It's like, oh look, you got a flashlight attachment. I'd rather have more pieces like, like a Leatherman or a Gerber multi-tool, or a Swiss Army knife multi-tool, but that's about kind of it's something about this. I recommend buying the real better ones than something like a really cheap clone or some cheap knockoff. So that wraps up of the claw machine Swiss Army knife. I'm Artillboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.